Begin. Uh-oh. It might change. It might change. Oh. Come on, get him. Oh. Come on, Levite. Let's y'all pat him out. Let's see. Try to get him out of there in 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes. I saw that one. Nice score. Nice hit. He's done, y'all. He's done. Y'all gonna let him rest up. That shot took a little bit out of him.
They rested too.
55 seconds left.
That's a lot. Get him.
Come on, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Come on, ain't over yet. 15 seconds left, 15 seconds. Time. All right, Levita. Take it. Come on. You got 2 minutes, and that's it. Got 5 seconds, Levita. You got 2 minutes to let somebody pat you out, or you pat somebody else out. If you pat somebody else out, they out, and the other person got to go by themselves. All right, let's go. On your feet. Last round, y'all. Last round. Courtesy. Fighting stance. Begin. Working that cardio. This is your cardio time. This is your cardio time. Y'all got her? Okay. Y'all take your stuff.